Common winter garden pests. Welcome back to our winter vegetable gardening series. In this video, we're diving into a topic that every winter gardener needs to know about: common winter garden pests. Even during the colder months, these pesky critters can wreak havoc on your plants. But fear not, because today we'll not only identify these culprits, but also learn how to manage them organically. Let's start by taking a look at 3 of the most common winter garden pests you might encounter: aphids, slugs, and rodents. Aphids. First up, aphids. These tiny insects may be small, but they can cause big problems in your winter garden. They often gather on the undersides of leaves and can quickly multiply. How do you know if you have an aphid infestation? Look for signs like distorted leaves, sticky residue called honeydew, and sometimes you can even see the aphids themselves. The good news is that you can manage aphids organically. Encourage natural predators like ladybugs and lacewings. You can also use a mild soap and water solution to gently wash them off your plants. Slugs. Next on our list are slugs. These slimy creatures are active during cool, damp conditions. They can chew through leaves and leave behind their telltale slime trails. To deter slugs, try placing shallow containers of beer in your garden. They're attracted to the scent and will crawl in, but they won't crawl out. Rodents. Lastly, we have rodents like voles. They can tunnel through your garden, gnawing on plant roots and causing hidden damage. Signs include small burrows and visible chew marks on roots. To deter rodents, consider using garden owl decoys or installing fencing that extends below ground to prevent burrowing. So there you have it: common winter garden pests and some organic methods to manage them. Remember, a healthy garden is a thriving one, so stay vigilant and keep an eye out for these intruders. In our next video, we'll delve into preventive measures to keep these pests at bay and protect your winter garden. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you won't miss it. Thanks for watching and happy gardening. Thanks for watching and subscribe.